Land development engineers are responsible for converting land into construction-ready housing, commercial, or industrial building sites. The Autodesk AEC Collection is a single tool set you can use in your land development project, from planning, design, through pre-construction. The Model Builder in InfraWorks allows you to easily produce the existing conditions model of your land development project. Then, by integrating point cloud data from Recap, you can further populate additional details into your existing conditions model and generate a more detailed terrain surface. With a more accurate model of your project in InfraWorks, you can now take the surface model and conduct preliminary design layout. You can start laying out your preliminary subdivision concept, beginning with road designs in your subdivision in both horizontal and vertical configurations that adhere to engineering standards. You're able to use analysis tools to check for lot spacing and build a road styling to help determine lot counts for your project. After completing your preliminary design in InfraWorks, you can now use Civil 3D to work on more precise lot layout. Use the partial creation tools to fill in the lots and blocks so you can make a lot plan that can be shown in color mode in InfraWorks. This should help facilitate discussions with your client. Once the subdivision design is complete, you can use Autodesk Navisworks to analyze and simulate the utility network design. With Navisworks, you can better anticipate and reduce potential clash and interference problems before construction, minimizing expensive delays and rework. And civil engineers need a single tool set to seamlessly go from planning and preliminary design to optimization of detailed design to pre-construction. The Autodesk AEC Collection is all you need to design, engineer, and construct higher quality, more predictable road and highway projects. Capturing and modeling existing conditions on a transportation project can be time-consuming. Using InfraWorks and Recap, this process is streamlined. Model Builder in InfraWorks allows you to quickly incorporate existing data to generate an intelligent model of the existing environment of your project. Additional details such as buildings, utilities, street signs, and other features can be easily added to your model. To augment the existing conditions model you generated in InfraWorks, Recap allows you to capture elements of your project, such as a roadway section, and bring it into InfraWorks as point cloud data. You can then easily process the point cloud to generate terrain or do analysis of your project by applying classification themes for your project, like intensity and elevation. Once existing conditions have been recorded, you can begin to conduct the preliminary design layout for your roadway project, easily setting roadway alignments while quickly adding turn lanes, intersections, and overpasses. In addition, generating your preliminary design within the real-world context of the project's existing environment allows you to more effectively communicate with project stakeholders and the public about your roadway project. After authoring the preliminary design roads for your project in InfraWorks, you can move your model to Civil 3D to perform detailed design. This includes correcting any design violations or reviewing ground profile views to assess cut and fill requirements. You can also generate a corridor and tie it into the roundabout initially modeled in InfraWorks and quickly generate your feature lines from the corridor to complete your roundabout detailed design. And if you're designing a bridge, InfraWorks allows you to send the object directly to Revit, so you can complete more detailed structural design work. The software automatically builds a full-blown Revit model of the bridge, complete with girders, piers, bearings, and rail components. With your design complete, you can now easily assess the constructability of your project using Autodesk Navisworks. Navisworks allows you to add schedule information from various sources and connect tasks in the schedule with objects in the model to create a simulation. You can see the effects of the schedule on the model and compare planned dates against actual dates. Costs can also be assigned to tasks to track the cost of a project throughout its schedule. The Autodesk AEC Collection provides you with a rich set of tools to use across the project lifecycle, so you can deliver more scalable, sustainable, and resilient road and highway projects.